2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.